Unit 5 in Information Management. The contents which we are going to discuss are cloud computing and the CMM. So, as per the cloud computing, day-to-day life we are using cloud computing without knowing the concept. For example, we used to send Gmail to another person, as well as we are receiving the email from X or Y. The particular data is stored in a server. So the Google will be taking care of the data storage. Similarly, we are using a social media such as WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, etc. So we used to share pictures or information in a Facebook. So the particular data will be stored in a cloud. The server will be taking care of the data storage. So the organization, sometimes the single organization, they will be having the separate server, or they will be given the data storage server to the Amazon for serving the data. So the cloud computing is the large group of servers or network to allow the centralized data storage. So it allows the centralized data storage. You are having three different types that is classified into private, public and the hybrid. So it allows the user to take benefit from technology and reduce the storage cost. So it allows the user to easy access of the cloud service in a standardized way. So it helps the user to serve the data, that is to save the data in a standardized way. So is a kind of grid computing. Grid computing, in the sense, it is a distributed and the parallel computing composed of a cluster of network to perform the large task. Mainframe computers, so large organization, they will be using the mainframe for critical application. Bulk data storage, they will be taking care of the census, statistics, ERP and the financial transaction processing. Utility computing, computation and storage such as electricity uses the traditional public utility. Peer-to-peer, that is participants are both supplier and the consumer of resources. So 5 essential characteristics given by the National Institute of Standard and Technology. On-demand self-service. So when it is needed, we can get the server time as well as the network storage. Broad network access. So it uses the heterogeneous client platform, mobile phones, tablets, laptops and the workstation. Resource pooling. Serve multiple and consumers using the multi-tenant model. Rapid elasticity, so it provides the unlimited with any quantity at any time. Measured service, it control and optimize the resources used by the leveraging at some level of abstraction to the type of service. Service model, so cloud clients, they will be having three different models: software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. So infrastructure as a service. Now, talking about the infrastructure as a service, it provides resources on demand from large pool installed in the data centers. Platform as a service, application developer can develop and run the software solution on a cloud platform without cost and complexity of buying and managing the hardware and the software layers. Software as a service, cloud providers manage the infrastructure and platform that run on the application. So it eliminates the need to install and run the application on the cloud user's own computer. So three different types of cloud computing are private, public and the hybrid. Private, so it is operated for a single organization. Example, IBM, Dell, they will be having a separate server, separate cloud services for their own organization. Public, services are handed over a network that is open for the public user. Google, Amazon. So the Google, we are using the Gmail. So the public forum, that is social media such as Twitter, Facebook, so that will be used as a public cloud, because we used to share the data, we used to share the pictures and videos. The particular data storage will be taken care by the organization. We are not going to pay a fee. In case of hybrid, combination of private and public offers the benefit of multiple deployment model. So Amazon Web Service is the example for the hybrid cloud. In Facebook, sometimes we used to keep certain data as a private one and certain data as a public one. So the particular data storage will be taken care by the organization. So the other clouds are community cloud, distributed cloud. That is, community cloud shares infrastructure between these several organizations from a special community with common concern. Distributed cloud is a set of machines that are run at different locations. Example, bionic and folding at home. Intercloud, cloud of cloud, that is the extension of the network of network. Multicolor cloud, use of multiple cloud computing services in a single heterogeneous architecture to reduce the reliance on the single vendors. It increases the flexibility. The final topic in Unit 5 is the capability maturity model. The American Software Engineering Institute SEI in cooperation with Mitre Corporation created the capability maturity model for software. The 5 levels are initial level, repeatable level, defined level, managed level and the optimizing level. For level 1 to level 1, we have the discipline process. Level 2 to level 3, we should follow the standard consistent process. Level 3 to level 4, predictable process. The outcome should be known by the developer. Level 4 to the level 5, continuous improving process. So the first one is the initial level. It depends on the manager personal approach and the programmer's experience. Till there should be a next level also to make the project as a successful one. Repeatable level, project planning and management is based on the experience as well as the standard of software and the quality management group. If there is any critical times occurs, the process should tend or roll back to the initial level. Defined level, standards for the process of software development and maintenance are introduced and documented. So the advanced training and the staff is required at this level. So in case of defined level, the proper training is given to the staff to maintain the required level. Managed level, better project management is achieved due to the decrease of digression in different project indices. Optimizing level, improvement procedures are carried out not only for the existing process, evaluation of the efficiency of newly introduced innovation technique. So in case of, it can be for recreating reusable components is the example for the optimizing level. That is the end of the Unit 5. Thank you.